Yo, what it do today? Thank you for joining. I'm glad you are here. Today is Fat and Fire because we are remaking Country Riddim by Hol. It's amazing. I made both of the drops. I'm going to show you guys right now how we get down. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will have this full project and these basses in my Patreon. If you want them, they'll be there. Let's go ahead and check it out.
Damn, Hol. Country.
Okay. This is one of my favorite artists right now. Honestly, when I saw him live, I went crazy. This song is making waves with Fortet. You already know what's good. I just want to show you guys how I made it, right? How we do this, the flow. First off, we'll just start with the drums real quick. We got this kick. Nice little easy kick. And the pattern has it go a little bit faster towards the end. Like that. And then nice big clap. I have two claps layered. These claps are being post-processed like this. The kick is being processed like this. Then we have the cymbals and highs, keeping it up top. So we got one, and then 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Just have a little bit of reverb, saturator, add harmonics. That's nice, that's good. Those are the main drums, easy. If you see here in the actual song, it goes build up, and then this is the pre-drop, and then this actual country part is a fake out. So this is the pre-drop.
Damn, Hol.
Fake out.
Country.
So it goes fake out, and then a downbeat bass, which is this one. So that's the first bass that introduces it. This is the call. And right after that, we have the next section. If you guys seen my previous Hol video, you'll know how I use G-Clip to actually clip both of the sub and the basses together to get this crunchy, grungy sound. We'll go over that here soon. But first, I'll just show you the regular downbeat. We have two versions. That one. And this one. So this is the Dripment Sussy that I made a while back. I did kind of change it with the sync knob to change the pitch. This will be in the Patreon as well, this sound. I'll get that saved. But it's just this FM and digital. Basic shapes. LFO, FM from B going down. It's going down -22. FM from B is on 16. Wavetable's on 51. LFO is going up 61. Noise is on AC hum, level going up 23 with the LFO. Subs on 87%. Oscillator B +2 octaves. Saw wave basic shape sync is on with it turned up 66%. The wavetable is at 2. Level is going up 77. And then this is like distortion, compression, reverb, EQ, and then the comb filter at 59 Hertz to set this specific tone. Resonance going up 46, drive 56. Cool little introduction bass. And then when I change it over here, all we do is change the FM from B or the sync knob to make variations that are either higher pitch or lower pitch. Then we just match the sub. The Country Riddim song is in E minor, so all these basses are in E as well as the sub. E0, easy introduction. The sub. This is the Dripment Hol sub. It's my main sub in Serum. boost it to the max, low pass with erosion and some saturator and some trash. You can get this in the Patreon too. But we use this sub and we add the same exact LFO. So we turn this LFO on, LFO3, put it on the level, and we make this do exactly what the bass is doing. So see half rate and this shape. I'll save the shape of the bass and then I'll just select it here for the sub. So the sub bass moves the same exact way as the mid basses, these. We have multiple layers. So we have a low layer, high layer, and some mono mid support. These together sound like that. We're doing multiband dynamics to make it clean and loud. This imager is making it mono again. It was really wide, so I just brought it down to make it more mono. This helps a lot. Control the stereo image. We pump up some highs, and then we add the G clip just to clip it at 0. That's the post-processing on this. And if you dig deep into these patches, you'll see it is very similar to the Hol basses I made in my previous Hol video. We use this vocoder, but we mess with the formants to get the tone we need. And then if you look in Serum, we mess with the LFO. We mess with this shape. This is our main shape. FM from B, using a square on +2, saw on +1, wavetables on 2, comb filter. These are the effects. So that's creating the first layer. The second layer is very similar. This is the high version. So we're going to use the FM from B and turn it up even more to add more higher frequencies. Those two combined. On the high, you can also see we mess with the formants on the vocoder. This will add higher frequencies too. So we're doing that. The reverb that we're using is the Convolver gun. This is the hybrid reverb on convolution. 71%, we're doing parallel processing. So we have a dry signal. We're blending in a wet signal at -17 decibels. That's really helpful. This mid support, this mono support is the prosecute bass, prosecute chop. My old prosecute video, you can watch how to make this. That's what it looks like. It's the resurrect and the prosecute chop. Very similar. Previous videos are available. You can watch those. But that's the first bass, right? We're delaying it 4 milliseconds for the group. And the sub will be delayed 4 milliseconds as well to match. The sub is doing a lot. Without the sub, sounds so weak. With the sub, it's everything. So that sub, very good. And you can see here, this G-clip group, this is holding the sub and the basses. And we're clipping this to make it loud and fat. This is being clipped 4 decibels with softness turned up. So we're clipping the sub and the basses together. Don't forget to EQ your basses, take out all the lows, because the sub will be controlling the lows. Now in the next section, this is the cool fast section, the one that Fortet always uses. Let's check it out.
Filter.
Okay, cool. We have the same patches going on, but we completely changed the LFO shape. So we're making it go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Big, little, big, little. This one's high, this one's lower. So we're like kind of messing with the volume as well. Louder, softer. This is the main LFO shape. I'll save this shape in here, and then we'll move that shape to the high version. And we'll move that shape to the sub. In the sub, we also changed the LFO, so we kind of pulled these up even more so we can get more intensity with the sub. So you can adjust the LFO as needed to make your sub perfect with the bass. These ones are delayed 2 milliseconds, this group as well, instead of 4 like the previous section. And then lastly, we use pitch bend to get the tone. It's 6 up, 6 down on the pitch bend range. We automate the pitch bend like this. So we can turn it off, on. So it's like high, 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 low, high, 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 low. And it's adding movement with the pitch. So once again, saw +1, square +2, level all the way down, F and from B's on 64, comb filters on 339, drives at 28%, mix is at 27, it's going up 100. This level is also going up 100 with the LFO. Hyperdimension, distortion, compression. This multiband compression gains going up 12. This drives at 23. This LFO mix is going up 68. And then this filter is on high notch 12, which is on 35 hertz, going up to 33. This is adding movement. Resonance on 69, going down, -13. Freak is at 79%. This is going down. This is all adding movement here. We layer these things together with the sub, and we get fat basses. You know what I mean? That's how Hol does it. He just experiments. He gets distortion and subs and blends them together to make harmonious awesomeness. Hope you guys enjoyed this. More videos coming soon. Don't forget to hit that bell, hit that subscribe. You will get what you need. Go ahead and join the Discord as well if you guys want to hang out with the community and learn even more for free. It's awesome. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day. And don't forget to keep making bangers. Peace out.